Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, the Kiage Tumaini Boys High School staff with us, and a few of the students who have arrived, one or two. This is Kiage Tumaini Boys High School. I am the school director, Dr. Joseph Kiage. We are here to release the results of KCSE 2023 as after they were officially released by the CS for Education, the Honorable Ezekiel Majok. It took us a few minutes to get the results. There was a little bit of delays at the beginning, but the system started working and we are ready to go. This year, we are happy to announce that the school's mean improved from 9.23, what it was in 2022, to 9.745 2023. But of greater news to us is the students' performance. We started with an A and ended with a 1 B minus. The last student is one student with a B minus, and that means we have 100% transition to university in government scholarships and support. We are happy about these students. They worked hard, they were very dedicated, and perhaps for the public to know that we don't receive very good results from KCP students. We don't take very bright students. Our students' KCP marks range from 280 to around 340. And so when they get these results, we are very satisfied. We are happy that they improve what they come in with from